The reason I ask
Spawn
is
the
one
give
day some
and
guy
give
comes in and he's like, "What's the worst shot you've ever made?" And I'm like, "Well, I made a smoker's cough once." And he's like,
sm-
"What's that?" And I'm like, "It's disgusting." I'm like, "It's fucking Jägermeister and mayonnaise, and I think there's something else in there too."
Wait,
And he's
Jaeger
like,
and mayonnaise?
"Yeah, it's called a smoker's cough. I've only ever had to make like one. Like it's one of those things you don't ever want to make." Um, let's see. According to the internet, a smoker's cough shot. It's definitely Jaeger and oh, it's disgusting. It is. It's literally just Jaeger and mayonnaise.